What's going on YouTube? It's GadgetsBoy and welcome to another video. So if you've been running out of battery in your phone and you're not happy with what you've got, this might be the option for you. So at MWC early this year in Barcelona, I got to check out this phone from Energizer. So this is the PowerMax P18K Pop. And as the name suggests, this is Power 18 in the sense that it's got 18,000 milliamp hour battery inside this thing. It's chunky, it's kind of weighty in hand, and compared to the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, you can see the size difference here. I think this thing's about 18 millimeters thick, which is a lot of thickness, a lot of junk in the trunk here. On the front, you have 6.2 inch Full HD Plus display. You have a pop-up selfie camera, which is also dual, so you got 16 megapixel and 2 megapixel set up. On the main camera section, you have 12 plus 5 plus 2 megapixel main camera setup, and it's also a power bank in itself. And as you can imagine, with a big ass battery in there, it means you can also use it to charge other devices that you might have on you. Although I think once you have this, you might not need to carry other devices anyway. But if you do need to do so, you can charge those devices with this. It's running on Android 9.0, and it's got 128 gig of internal storage and 6 gig of RAM. It's running on MediaTek Helio P70 processor, and during my time with it, just playing around with a user interface and going on different websites and doing just basic things, it seems to really function smoothly and well. There's nothing wrong with this smartphone at all. In fact, it's more of a battery pack that's got a phone attached to it, in my opinion. It looks great, I think. I kind of like the chunky size for some reason. I don't even know why. But in the meantime, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Drop a comment, let us know what you think. Would you rock one of these? Would you carry one of these around with you, put it next to your face like this guy here? It looks absolutely ridiculous. But anyway, guys, so let me know. Hit that subscribe button as well if you haven't subscribed already, and make sure you hit the thumbs up and share it. And hit that bell notification button so that you'll be one of the first people to know every time there's a new video on this channel. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.